sometimes you just look at these, don't you, and you think, what's going on here? I had one of those moments. So let's look at what you can do, because these top ones is a bit like, woo. So we've got, should we call it a big box of chocolates with those sort of like stripy ribbons that go with, you know? So big box, little box, big box, little box. So we want a little box down there, and we want the stripes to be that way. So that gets rid of that one. That's good. That's good. Oh, that's in the wrong place. That's in the wrong place. So we've now got a 50% chance of getting it right, just going from there. Just realised it's the background all funny. Who cares? We'll leave it as it is. Now, we've only got a choice of squares, haven't we? So we don't have to think about the shapes. And I think what's happening is we've got baby shape, mummy shape, baby shape, mummy shape. So it'll be a baby shape and a mummy shape there. So I think the answer is B. See you in a minute.